Hello everybody, welcome back to Run Over Garden and Life. My name is Nina. I want to welcome everybody who is new to our channel. Today we are doing a Earth Day collaboration. I will be doing this collaboration with a group of beautiful, talented, creative women. So I'm gonna leave the description below so that way you can go and check out their video collaborations right after you watch me. So what we're gonna need, or what I'm gonna need for this Earth Day collaboration, which is we didn't go out to get any of the items since we're all underneath quarantine, and praying that the good Lord will grace us that this quarantine will be lifted pretty soon, because I know a lot of people are ready to get back to work and a lot of people are ready to hug one another and hug their families and friends. So what I'm going to be using that I have around the house is a piece of my paper from my my little pad that has beautiful colors of paper, and picture frame that I've had for quite a while. And this is going to be a little unusual because I don't think I've ever seen anybody use this. One of these gorgeous Baker Creek envelopes. See that? And scissors and tape and a picture, and that's it. So I hope you guys stay tuned and y'all continue to watch. Alrighty, so here Mr. Boyce has the Baker Creek envelope, and he is going to slowly peel off the label. It is totally up to you if you want to peel off the label or leave the label on. That is totally up to you, but you want to slowly and patiently peel it off. So we're going to start off with this sheet of paper that I chose out of my paper pad to, this is going to be the background of what I am trying to accomplish. And then we're going to carefully remove this backing right here of our picture frame. We're going to carefully put this away, that way it won't break. And we are going to measure this piece around this piece of paper. Now with the pencil, I find it easy. With the pencil, we're going to trace. That way it'll be easier for me to cut. There we go. And now I'm going to cut. Okay, now that we have that cut, we're going to set it aside. And now we have our Baker Creek seed packet envelope. From here, we're going to go ahead and cut around the edges so that way we can be able to part this. If you want to take the chance and try to pry it open, that's totally up to you. Just to let you know, like, this will happen. You see that? The way the edges are really jagged and wonky and just not very clean. That's totally up to you. You can always go ahead and cut it. You can cut it however you want to cut it from here. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and cut along this seam, and I think it'll be okay if I cut some of the picture out. Okay, and now it'll be easier for us to pry open the bubble wrap part. Got that. And now we have this. Now all we we have to do is cut right in the middle. Okay, so now that we have our pieces, you can always try to get a straight edge and probably try to clean it up as much as you can, or you can just use it like this. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what my whole idea and concept is. Okay, so this is the backing of our picture frame. And here we have what we're going to be using as a background for this. Okay. Alrighty, from here we're going to grab the back of our picture frame. I'm going to put this down and grab our tape. If you have double-sided tape, that would most definitely work, but if you don't, then we will be using this, just so it'll hold it in place, just like so. And then we're gonna get our Baker Creek envelope. We're gonna place it right in the middle. Grab another piece of tape, just so it'll hold it in place. We don't want it shifting. Like so, right in the back of our envelope. Try to center it as best as you can, and get your favorite photo. This is one of my favorite photos of my husband and my kids. This was right before my husband had to go out and deploy. So just like that, look at that. It fits perfectly. We might need 2 pieces of tape for this one since my picture is bowing. Again, we're going to roll the little tape, put it on one side, and then grab another piece of tape, do the same. And just like that. And then from there, grab our picture frame. Get rid of my trash. And put our picture frame right in. It's going to be a snug fit because you got to remember it has the bubble wrap. And then you just secure it, and voila. Alright guys, so with the other side of the Baker Creek's envelope, seed envelope, we're going to do the same thing. Unfortunately, I don't have a second picture frame to show you a different, side-by-side view. But you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put tape down and then stick it right smack in the middle. Okay? I'm going to try to line it up as best as you can. Okay? And then you guys remember those old photo booths where it would come out with a whole line of photos when you take in the photo booth. I couldn't find one when I was thinking of this. This was before the corona had hit, and these were the only ones that I could find, and this is part of the other. So hopefully my son and my husband don't kill me for putting this up, but they're super cute. So the same thing, we're going to put some tape right in the back just to secure them and hold them in place. Just like so. Okay, I'm going to flip it over, and again it's going to fit nice and snug in here because of the bubble wrap that's in the envelope. slide that in and then secure. Oops. And voila. I love the way it came out. Maybe I could have centered it a little bit better. It's always tricky with these things, but you could always play with it. But yeah, that is my DIY Baker Creek upcycle picture frame. Alrighty guys, so that's all that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you also go out and create something of your own. Leave me a comment down below if you think that you could have done something better, or maybe I should have done something better to spruce it up some more, or maybe you can give me a tip as to what I could have had done better. Anyways, I want to thank you all for watching, for subscribing, and for continuously supporting us throughout our journey. You guys don't forget to go by and visit the other channels, the other ladies that are going to be doing this collaboration with us. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications for more content from Over Garden and Life. We look forward to the next video. Until next time, bye guys.